How to find TikTok shop not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your TikTok, then click on your profile, and there you would be able to find the three lines at the top right hand side corner. Simply click on it, then you would be able to see the option of privacy and settings. Then just simply click on it, and after that scroll down, and after that you would be able to find an option of report a problem. Simply select it, then scroll down, and after that you would be able to find the option of submit a report at the very end. Just simply click on it. After that, just simply type that your TikTok shop is not showing up. After that, you would be able to see the option of submit. Click on it, and in 1 to 3 business days TikTok will reach out to you and help you out. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.